What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to hide your blue tick marks or read receipts when receiving messages through WhatsApp. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your WhatsApp application and navigate to your settings located at the lower right corner of your screen. From here, select Privacy, and then scroll down to find the Read Receipts option. To hide blue tick marks in WhatsApp messages, toggle this option off. Now, before you go, know that while people are not able to see your read receipts in individual private chats, they will always be able to see them in WhatsApp group chats. Also, hiding blue tick marks in your private WhatsApp chats also means that you will no longer be able to see other people's read receipts. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.